Let's make Hainanese chicken rice. It's simple to make, needs just a few ingredients, tastes amazing and it's very healthy. Take the chicken thighs, season it with salt and pepper, mix it well and let it rest for a bit. Heat some oil in a pan and saute crushed ginger and garlic until golden. Add 1 cup of washed rice. Give it a good mix and cook for 2 minutes. Then add the chicken broth and a few slices of julienned ginger. Once the broth starts to simmer, add the chicken thigh pieces on top. Let the rice soak up most of the water, then add some green onions. Cover the pot and cook on low heat until the chicken is fully cooked. Chop a few green onions. And place them in a small bowl. In a separate pan, heat a little oil until hot. Then pour it over the chopped green onions. Add a pinch of salt and mix well. This will be used for garnishing. It's time to taste. It's delicious, protein-packed meal and not spicy. In each bite, you will feel the flavor of green onion. A must try.